Hi, in this video we will discuss arithmetic operators in Python. Here are some standard operators. We have addition, which is just a plus b, subtraction, a minus b, multiplication, a times b, and division, a divided by b. Here are some special operators. There's integer division, which is a /b. This ignores the remainder of the division. There's the modulo operator, which is a %b. This returns the remainder of a divided by b. To the power of, which is just like two multiplication symbols together, a ** b, or pow a, b. This returns a to the bth power. You can think of this as an exponent. Minimum, min, a, b, and if there's any other numbers. This returns the minimum in a group of values, and maximum, same as the one above, it returns the maximum in a group of values though. So here are some examples. Let's walk through it. So for addition, we're adding 4 plus 7, and then our sum is 11. For subtraction, 12 minus 5, that's 7. For multiplication, 6 times 6, that's 36. Division, that's 30 divided by 5, and then that's 6. 10 mod 4, our result is 2. 18 integer division, 5, we get 3, because 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 4 is 20, so that wouldn't work. So the most we could get out of 18 integer division 5 would be 3. And then 3 to the 5th power is 243. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.